Are you looking for a career change? Maybe you're a classroom teacher and you just finally said, you know what? I can't do this anymore. Or maybe it's just like you're a tutor that's like, I've been tutoring for a while and I just can't quite get this whole online thing. Like the platforms just seem like a little complicated and I really need someone to walk me through it step by step. Well, I'm the type of person that have been tutoring and also left the classroom, and I understand what exactly you're going through. Like, it just seems like a lot of things are either really rushed or you're just not quite getting it. But by the time you're sort of kind of got it, the whole system is always over. So, welcome to the Mastermind for Online Tutors. If you just need that one person to kind of just walk you through it step by step, I'm the person for you. For my program, we start always with our master plan and who is our ideal client, all the way up to what is life after tutoring and how can I really run this as a business? So if you're looking for someone to kind of walk you through the whole process of becoming an online tutor, either doing it for one-to-one or maybe even do it for small groups, then I'm the person for you. So click on the link and just take a look at this free video that I did when I was doing a summit and just really get the real nitty-gritty of what it means to be an online tutor before you do any kind of investment whatsoever. Yes, there are going to be highs and there sure is going to be some lows, but no matter what, you're always going to have clients that's going to be loving you to death to the point that they're like, I don't want to ever see you go. So if this sounds like something that you really want to get yourself involved in, please go ahead, click the link, and also watch the video. And if you really want to take it further, go ahead and sign up for a meet and greet, and then we'll take it from there. All right? Hope to see you soon. And remember, continue to be the best version of you.